Hi, I'm Jackie. On May 15, 2023, North Oak Investment will begin collecting monthly interest payments on all new loans. We have partnered with Superior Loan Servicing to perform our monthly billing and service your loan from start to finish. If you have an active loan with us now, don't worry, there will be no monthly payments on loans made prior to May 15, 2023. This video will walk you through setting up your Superior Loan Servicing portal. In this portal, you will be able to monitor every detail of your loan. You will be required to set up ACH bank transfers for making the monthly payment. As you do more projects, this portal will be the home for all your loans. Autopay enrollment is required. We will send you a link to autopay enrollment. The first step is to review the borrower welcome letter that will be emailed to you from Superior Loan Servicing soon after your loan has closed. In this letter, you will find details of your loan such as the loan number, first payment due date, and the payment amount. You will also find on the welcome letter your registration code and borrower account number. The PIN number will be either the last four numbers of your Social Security number or the last four numbers of your federal tax ID. With the information on the welcome letter, you can create your Superior Loan Service online account. Tap Create New Account to begin. To set up your user account, create your login credentials. Enter the registration code from the welcome letter and enter your local time zone. The Loan Terms page allows you to review all the terms of your loan. This section contains contact information for the person responsible for this loan. This section contains details about your loan. Please review this information and contact Superior Loan Servicing at 888-587-9757 if any corrections are needed. After you submit your repair budget, we will email you a link which will allow you to set up your account for automatic payments. You will also need to scan or photograph a voided check for the account you will use to make your monthly payments. You will upload the voided check when you fill and submit the ACH direct debit form at the link we email to you. The remaining screens in the online portal allow you to track loan activity. The conversation log tracks any communication between the borrower and Superior Loan Servicing. The Loan Charges section displays any charges associated with the loan. The Payment Activity log will show a history of all payments made on this loan. The Trust Ledger Impound and Trust Ledger Reserve are not utilized and can be ignored. Thank you for your time. That concludes our introduction to the North Oak Investment Superior Loan Servicing online borrower portal. If you need help with using the borrower portal, you can call Superior Loan Servicing at 888-587-9757 or email lss@slsbox.com. If you have questions concerning your loan, contact North Oak Investment at 816-249-1001 or email support01@northoakinvestment.com. North Oak Investment, hard money made easy.